Okay, I'm going to do a quick video. It's going to show why things like boats and buildings and anything else will become unresolvable bottom first. And why somewhere at the midpoint is obviously going to reach that limit before something to the top. So this is more of a mid-level. It only has to cover this distance. The top has to cover this distance to merge with the ground. As you move away, this angle right here, A, this is your angle over the ground. See, that's just, you can see it goes this way. Your angle over the ground. See how narrow it is here, but look how much more narrow it is over here. As my angle from far away becomes more acute to the surface here. So A went from 7.5 degrees close up here to only 2 degrees over here. So the ground is converging towards my eye level because of that very reason. Now B is this one, just the vertex right here and the vertex right here. So B went from 15 degrees to only 3.5 degrees over here. So that is converging towards the center of my vision. And the ground is coming up towards that point. Everything will converge towards a line of sight. Everything. Because you're moving parallel away. So it's all going to converge. It's like railroad tracks. So anyhow, C is this angle here, this vertex. It's how you see the whole building as a whole, which of course is much more than B. C over here is 30 degrees of your visual field. Over here, it's only 7 degrees of your visual field. So it's going down. But B, like I said, B is only 3.5 here. Over here it was 15. And remember, this angle over here keeps getting smaller and smaller. Everything's going to converge. If you measure the whole vertex here versus the whole vertex here, everything is converging. It's getting smaller over here compared to over here. But the bottom, from here to here, is going to disappear to that point faster than this whole thing will. Because C is obviously a much bigger angle. By the way, this affects anything we see in the distance, including things like Polaris. And I'm going to do another video that shows how not all 10 degrees of space are equal. I kind of hinted at it in one of my last videos. But I'm going to show you why, just with a simple diagram like this. Everything works this way. We live on a parallel plane. We generally look forward. So everything as we move away collapses, compresses how we see it. Because we see it as we see the vertex. As it gets smaller, it takes up less room in our field of view. And it converges towards our line of sight.